So here problem is an inductance of 0.5 Henry, a resistance of 5 ohms and a capacitance of 8 microfarad are in series across a 220 volt AC supply. Calculate the frequency at which the circuit impedance becomes minimum. Find the current at resonance. So first let us draw the diagram. So given the element values are resistance 5 ohms, inductance 0.5 Henry and capacitance 8 microfarad connected in series. So here this is the resistance, inductance and capacitance are connected in series, and this combination is connected to a voltage source, and voltage source value is given as 220 volt AC supply. So here let us draw the diagram of impedance against frequency. So frequency in hertz. So if we draw the diagram of impedance against frequency, so impedance curve looks like this. So at frequency 0, impedance in the circuit, impedance offered by the circuit is infinity, and it decreases up to resonance frequency. At resonance frequency, impedance offered by the circuit is minimum, and at infinity frequency, impedance offered by the circuit is again infinity. So here he is asking us to calculate the frequency at which the circuit impedance becomes minimum. So circuit impedance is minimum at frequency FR. So FR is resonance frequency. So at resonance frequency, circuit impedance becomes minimum. So formula to find resonance frequency is FR equal to, so 1 by 2 pi root LC hertz. So 1 by 2 pi root LC hertz. So FR equal to, if you substitute the values, FR equal to 1 by 2 pi. So L value is given as 0.5 hertz and C value is given as 8 microfarad. So 8 into 10 power minus 6 farad. So here after substituting the values, we get FR equal to 79, close to 79 hertz. So at 79 hertz, the circuit impedance is minimum. And at resonance, what is the circuit impedance at resonance frequency means? So at resonance frequency, circuit impedance becomes minimum and is SZ equal to R ohms. So at resonance frequency, so what is the impedance offered by the circuit is resistance itself. So the value of the resistance is, so here given the value of the resistance is 5 ohms. So impedance at resonance frequency is 5 ohms. So one more question is, find the current at resonance. So here the circuit current at resonance is, in general, V equal to Zi, where Z is the impedance offered by the circuit. So at resonance, Z equal to R, so V equal to Ra, but we want current equal to voltage by resistance. So voltage of the circuit is 220 volts. Circuit is connected to the 220 volt supply and resistance is 5 ohms. So here 220 by 5 is I equal to 44 amperes. So current in the circuit at resonance is 44 amperes. So current in the circuit. So current in the circuit at resonance is 44 amperes. So here what is the impedance at resonance means? What is the resonance frequency is 79 hertz. What is the impedance at resonance is 5 ohms, and what is the circuit at resonance? What is the current in the circuit at resonance is 44 amperes.